All right, drink we're about to make is called Strawberry Zima. Now, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you've got some regular old Zima, but you just got a real hankering for some Strawberry Zima, don't you worry. You only need one ingredient to make it taste like Strawberry Zima. Now, we're going to pour our Zima into, which I've already done, into any glass you like. In this case, I chose a nice, long, narrow glass. And I'm going to take some strawberry syrup, and I'm just going to squeeze that in there until we don't have any more room. And as you can see, we've got a nice fizz action going on. Let's go ahead and take our spoon here, and we'll just stir it up. Doesn't that look good? So Zima, of course, is a malt beverage. It's got a pretty high alcohol content, actually. So this is actually going to get you a little more drunk than just a regular old beer. So there you have it, a Strawberry Zima. Bottoms up.